content editors, fandom lovers, and fanfiction readers and writers. I am back with part 4 of 7 of the Chocolate Factory called The Boat Ride. Alright. By the way, we are on the hashtag road to 100 subs. So if you have not subscribed, please do. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of the year, and I would love your support. I'm trying my hardest. So let's get going. Belle's POV. We walked towards the river. We heard the Oompa Loompas laughing. What's so funny? Asked Harley. I think it's from all those doggone cocoa beans. Hey, by the way, did you guys know that chocolate contains a property that triggers the release of endorphins? Gives one the feeling of being in love, said Willie. I didn't know that. All aboard, said Willie. All aboard, said Willie. We all got... All aboard, said Willie. We all got in the boat. I sat all the way in the back of the boat. I didn't realize that Willie was sitting next to me. I didn't know why. Wasn't he supposed to be in the front of the boat, telling everyone what's happening? This is weird. I glanced over at him. Luckily, he didn't see me looking at me. I was looking at all the candy and chocolate in the room until I felt a hand around my waist. I blushed at the feeling. What are you doing? Asked him quietly. I'm flirting with you, he replied. I asked him quietly. I was looking at all the candy and chocolate in the room until I felt a hand around my waist. I blushed at the feeling. What are you doing? I asked him. What are you doing? I asked him quietly. I'm flirting with you, he replied. Willie, the others, I said. What about them? He asked. They will hear us, I replied. So we can be quiet, Willie said. Please, Willie. Oh. Willie said. But, please, Willie. Okay, fine. Oh, I finally get it. Let me read that again. Sorry, I have a positive affirmation app. I was looking at all the candy and chocolate in the room until I felt a hand around my waist. I blushed at the feeling. What are you doing? I asked him quietly. I'm flirting with you, he replied. Willie, the others, I said. What about them? He asked. They will hear us, I replied. So, we can be quiet, Willie said. But, please, Willie. Okay, fine, but I don't want... Okay, fine, but I don't want them to hear us. I finally gave in. Willie started to kiss me. I wasn't sure what to do, so I just let him kiss me. I thought to myself, are we really doing this? I've always loved him, but I couldn't believe what he was doing. I looked at the other. They were all amazed at everything that they didn't even notice what Willie was doing. I squeaked. Oh my god. Please don't watch this video if you are under 18. Oh my god. Oh my god. I squeaked when I felt Willie licked my neck. Oh no, I hope no one heard that. Shh, be quiet, said Willie. Sorry, I replied. Shh, be quiet, said Willie. Sorry, I replied. I almost saw someone looking back, but it was nothing. I heard Gaston say, "Why are we going towards a dark tunnel?" "Because that's where we need to go," replied Willie. The boat continued to move towards the tunnel. Everyone started to look at each other. We heard Willie say, "Turn on the lights." I didn't know what was happening. The boat started to move faster and go into the tunnel. The truck would splash against the boat. The boat went faster. We were all being pushed by gravity because of how fast the boat was going. Then out of nowhere it stopped. I heard Willie say, "Stop the boat. I want to show you." I heard Willie say, "Stop the boat. I want to show something." Alright, that is the end of the boat ride. So, I will be back with part 5 called The Inventioner. Bye guys.